Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a 2005 musical fantasy film directed by Tim Burton and written by John August, based on the 1964 children's novel of the same name by Roald Dahl. 1. Johnny Depp played Willy Wonka. Johnny was born on June 9, 1963 and 42 in July 2005, and he is 62 in 2025. 2. Freddy Hymore played Charlie Bucket. Freddy was born on February 14, 1992 and was 13 in July 2005, and he is 33 in 2025. 3. David Kelly played Grandpa Joe. David was born on July 11, 1929 and was 76 in July 2005. He died on February 12, 2012 at the age of 82. 4. Helena Bonham Carter played Mrs. Bucket. Helena was born on May 26, 1966 and was 39 in July 2005, and she is 59 in 2025. 5. Noah Taylor played Mr. Bucket. Noah was born on September 4, 1969 and was 35 in July 2005, and he is 55 in 2025. 6. Missy Pile played Mrs. Beauregard. Missy was born on November 16, 1972 and was 32 in July 2005, and she is 52 in 2025. 7. James Fox played Mr. Salt. James was born on May 19, 1939 and was 66 in July 2005, and he is 86 in 2025. 8. Deep Roy played All the Oompa Loompas. Deep was born on December 27, 1957 and was 47 in July 2005, and he is 67 in 2025. 9. Christopher Lee played Dr. Wilbur Wonka. Christopher was born on May 27, 1922 and was 83 in July 2005. He died on June 7, 2015 at the age of 93. 10. Adam Godley played Mr. TV. Adam was born on February 22, 1964 and was 41 in July 2005, and he is 61 in 2025. 11. Franziska Trogner played Mrs. Gloop. Franziska was born in April 1951 and was 54 in July 2005, and she is 74 in 2025. 12. AnnaSophia Robb played Violet Beauregard. AnnaSophia was born on December 8, 1993 and was 11 in July 2005, and she is 31 in 2025. 13. Julia Winter played Veruca Salt. Julia was born in 1993, the exact date is actually unknown, and was about 11 in July 2005, and she is about 31 in 2025. 14. Jordan Fry played Mike TV. Jordan was born on June 7, 1993 and was 12 in July 2005, and he is 32 in 2025. 15. Philip Wigratz played Augustus Gloop. Philip was born on February 17, 1993 and was 12 in July 2005, and he is 32 in 2025. 16. Blair Dunlop played young Willy Wonka. Blair was born in May 1992 and was about 13 in July 2005, and he is about 33 in 2025. 17. Liz Smith played Grandma Georgina. Liz was born in December 1921 and was about 83 in July 2005. She died in December 2016 at the age of 95. 18. Eileen Essel played Grandma Josephine. Eileen was born on October 8, 1922 and was 82 in July 2005. She died on February 15, 2015 at the age of 92. 19. David Morris played Grandpa George. David was born on September 11, 1924 and was 80 in July 2005. He died on October 29, 2007 at the age of 83. 20. Jeffrey Holder was the narrator, voice. Jeffrey was born on August 22, 1930 and was 74 in July 2005. He died on October 5, 2014 at the age of 84.